All right, I am going over your algebraic expression simplification task cards. So we've got 20 task cards to go over. First one says simplify, so we need to write our expression. 8x to the third power plus 2x to the third power. 1. Because these have the same exact exponent and variable or base, they are like terms, so this just becomes 8 plus 2 times x to the third power. And then you'll put your answer here. I'm not going to give you the answer. That one's a little too easy. 2, it says 3a to the fifth power b squared minus 7a to the fifth power b squared. Then that just becomes 3 minus 7 times a to the fifth b squared, and then you'll put your answer here. Number 3 says m to the fourth times m to the fifth. So now we have the same base, and our base stays the same, and then we just add the exponents. 4 plus 5, and then it'll be m to the whatever those two numbers are added together. Then 4, simplify. C cubed times d times c, and then d to the sixth power. Any invisible exponent is 1. That should have been discussed in your lesson. So then this will be c to the 3 plus 1. And d to the, there's a 1 here as well, 1 plus 6. And then we put those two terms together, and it'll be c to one exponent and d to another exponent just side by side. 5. Simplify negative 3w squared times negative 4w to the sixth power. Negative 3w squared times negative 4w to the sixth power. So negative 3 times negative 4, and then w to the second power plus the sixth power, because we would add those exponents there. And then simplify your answer. Number 6, we've got 12a squared b squared times 3/4 a cubed b to the fourth power. So we're going to do 12 times 3/4, and then we're going to do a to the second power plus the third power, and then b to the second power plus the fourth power. And then we will simplify from there. Number 7 is 7y times negative 2y cubed plus 9y to the fourth power. Remember, this has an exponent of 1 wherever they don't show me the exponent. I have to make it appear. I do not put 0 there because anything raised to the 0 power is 1, and I don't want that. So here I'll do 7 times negative 2, then to the y, and then y to the first power plus the third power, and then I will add 9y to the fourth power. This will end up being one term, so you have to put everything together. You have to have the proper exponent for y and the proper coefficient for that y as well. Number 8, I've got 9p to the 12th power, q to the 7th, minus 2 to the 5th power, q to the 6th, times 4, P7Q. Good Lord. All right. Let's do the negative 2 and the 4. So that's 9p to the 12th power, q to the 7th, minus 2 times 4, and then p to the 5th plus 7th, and q to the 6th plus 1. This will also simplify to one term as well. I'll do the rest of them in the next video. Good luck.